Morning, everybody. We have a new arrival today. This is a 2021 Nissan Titan Platinum. This is a fully loaded model with front end collision damage. I'll do a quick walk around and go over the damaged areas. You need a left front fender. You need a left front headlight. You need the front bumper assembly. You're going to need a hood. Right headlight. Right fender. I don't see any signs of structural damage. That's the frame rail right there. Looks pretty good. Need the bumper support in the front. Radiator and condenser look okay. We'll go over that in a moment. Suspension is sitting in place. Doors back looks pretty clean. Four by four. Nice running boards. Let's take a look inside. Nice leather interior. This is a fully loaded model. No airbags deployed. $39,000 miles. You need a windshield. Actually, let's take a look at the roof. No buckles in the roof. No damage to the roof at all. Take a look under the hood. Alright. So now the damage is to the radiator support. The apron's got a little wrinkle there that can be straightened out. Cooling looks good. The fans look good. The engine does runs well. So this is not really considered a frame over here. This is the radiator support upper, and attaches to the apron there. This side looks perfectly straight. Frame rails look okay. I don't see any movement there. Really nice builder. Posted on the website soon. Thanks for watching.